What's up guys, it's Jordan. Hope y'all having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2021 Panda Low Dunk. Now, just before we get into the video, guys, we're like 13 or 12 or 13 subs away from 300. So it's going to be crazy. The sneaker collection video is dropping when we hit 300. So make sure, if you guys want to stick around for that, to drop a sub. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into these dunks. Walking in, I saw like 5 people with the dunks already, so, and there's another picture. They must have got a lot of stock. I think retail is either 100 or 110. It's kind of weird that they increased the price after the hype, but as you can see, other than that, it's pretty empty, pretty chill. And yeah. Oh, by the way, EJ, if you're watching this, I changed up the mask. My other one got dirty, so back to the vape one for now. But you know it's coming back next episode. So man's forgot his wallet, his ID. I was able to get a pair. Oh, now we gotta drive back, but it's all good. The man, the myth, the legend. Didn't think he could pull it off. Guess what happened? We pulled it off.
But she was super nice. She wasn't like in at all.
Yeah, that lady was nice. Now we gotta go home, check him out. UN soon. When that opens, we're gonna do a little vlog of the opening, so stay tuned for that.
You can just get it from Nike and just consign it right there.
Yeah, facts. It'll be a quick process. They're gonna have haircuts. What? Haircuts, milkshakes,
Ice cream,
cream,
tattoos,
sneakers, tattoos,
a movie theater,
yeah,
a bowling alley,
no,
roller coasters.
I don't think
It's
so.
gonna be insane.
This release is that a lot of like people who actually wanted the shoes, it seems like they were able to get them. There was a few resellers sitting outside, like right when you walk in the mall, and then like a few outside of Nike. But other than that, it seems like they got a pretty good amount of which is crazy, because usually when you do the reserve and the raffle, it's very, very limited and hard to get. But that's cool that we saw a lot of people actually wanted the pair, getting the pair. And I think it's pretty cool dunk. It was really popular. And so yeah, now we're gonna go home and take a look at it and see if it lives up to the hype. So we're back home now. We are able to secure our pair from Nike, and let's go ahead and dive right into these. I'm super excited that we both were able to hit on these. The Pandas have been one of the most sought after dunks this year. Obviously there are some dunks that are way more hyped than these, but just because of this simple color blocking on this shoe, the hype for these has skyrocketed. Before we get into the dunks, let's go ahead and take a look at the box and some background information. Now, these initially released March 10th, 2021 for a retail price of $100. And as we saw a few days ago, these were getting a restock in select East and West cities. These have 2 size runs, men and women's, and the men's sizes are $10 more regarding retail prices than the women's. So right off the bat, here we have it, the Nike Dunk Low Pandas. Now, this is not the official name for these. There is a dunk that dropped back in 2018, I believe it was a high top, that has the official name of Panda. These just go by the black and white dunks. But either way, these are definitely fire. So simple, but they look so good. These are gonna go with a lot of outfits, and if you hit these for retail, $100 for a dunk nowadays is a steal. They look very good. We are not seeing any tumbled leather on the shoe at all, but the smooth leather is looking good on them. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like there is some quality control issues with the shoe. I'm seeing a bunch of scuffs actually. Oh yeah, there's like I guess leak in paint down here. There's some more scuffs here. It does look like there is a lot of scuffs along the midsole of the shoes.
So I guess when you guys buy them, just make sure to double check. I believe they should come off with some sneaker cleaner and stuff, but that is really weird regarding Nike's quality control. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into these details. So outsole, pure black, nothing too crazy. White midsole going all around the shoe with the white stitching. And then you got this smooth black and white patent leather. Tongues have the black and white Nike tag. On the inside, you do have a white Nike insole with the black Nike logo. And on the back of both shoes, you have this stitched Nike lettering. I don't know what to say. But yeah, so overall, very, very clean. I got to say I am impressed. I wonder why there is such a price difference between the men and the women's sizing. Like, if you see the women's sizing, they're going for like $250, but the men's sizing is going for $350. Really weird. If you guys follow my Instagram, you know I got the men's size too. And this looks exactly the same. So just a little tip from someone who has had both sneakers. I just definitely get the women's size. And let's say if you're size 8 in men's, you'd buy the size 9.5 women's. The conversion rate is you add 1.5 to whatever your size is. So yeah, definitely fire shoe. $100, you can't go wrong. And yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and dive right into the B-roll. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to let me know what your guys' thoughts on the Nike Panda low dunks are in the comments. And make sure you guys stay tuned for the bloopers. Thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. And we're only 13 subs away from 300. So if you guys want to stick around, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.
People actually, your fingers covered.
No, it's not.
No?
No.
Anyway,
It's good? $10 the lace back
Is
falls
that
off.
good, EJ?
oh.
You spent $300 on bubblegum. Bro.